What's up guys, thank you. So Xiaomi has teased the launch of its upcoming Mi shoes in India. The company posted an image which resembles a shoe with the text ready to put your best foot forward. This implies that the launch of Mi shoes in India is not far away. It will be the rebranded version of the Xiaomi Mi Sneaker 2 currently available in China. It is expected to be priced around $42. It is manufactured using the uni-molding process, which ensures 5 different layers and types of materials are fused into a single mold. Each of the layers is then separated using a thin polyurethane film pressed and bonded. The upper part of the shoes is manufactured using a three-dimensional, seamless, high elastic knitting process. It uses just one seam, thus minimizing foreign body sensation. While there is no mention of the intelligent chip inside, but since the first version had one, this model likely houses it.